G'day guys, welcome back. So today we're heading up to Perth to go to the goat farm for the WA Gravity Enduro race. So this is my first time riding at the goat farm, so hopefully I do alright. So it's race day today. Yesterday was just a practice run, but today's the real race. So hopefully I do alright. The first stage I decided to race was stage 4, Lucky 13. For some reason in this run the GoPro wasn't stabilising, but in the rest of the runs the GoPro managed to stabilise. And the second stage I decided to race was stage 5, Legacy into Aikland. The third stage I decided to race was stage 3, called Blue Tongue. Oh, I think I might let some air out of my tyre.
Bit much?
That was rough. Yeah, a bit much. The fourth stage I decided to race was stage 2, called Tipping Paint. Oh really? The fifth stage I decided to ride was stage 7, Floatopia. And the final stage I decided to race was stage 6, breakbound into probation. So that's the end of the 2023 WA Gravity Enduro race at the Goat Farm. Overall, I placed 12th with a time of 13 minutes and 15 seconds, which isn't too bad considering it's my first time riding there, but still plenty to improve on. And hopefully enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and even leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.